Hello dears and welcome back to my YouTube cooking channel. Today I want to share with you a delicious recipe of burgers, and of course I will share with you also the way we like to serve them. First we'll mix the dried condiments, garlic powder, thyme, black pepper and chili flakes to infuse flavor into our minced beef meat. Once we have our seasoned mixture ready, it's time to combine it with high quality minced beef. This step ensures that every bite is bursting with savory goodness. The key to achieve mouth-watering burgers lies in allowing the seasoned meat to rest for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to melt together and to intensify. After 30 minutes have elapsed, we move on to forming perfectly shaped burgers patties from our rested minced beef mixture. To further elevate our burger's flavor profile, we'll add an extra dimension by seasoning this plank with smoked sausage before roasting the bacon. I want to create the perfect hamburger, and it all starts with frying the bacon to crispiness. Roasting the bacon just right ensures that our hamburger will have that delicious smoky flavor and a satisfying crunch. With our bacon ready, next we'll prepare our buns by buttering the plank and roasting them. Roasting our buns on a buttered plank adds an extra depth of flavor and creates a crunchy exterior while keeping them soft inside. And now that our buns are ready, let's move on to placing our seasoned burgers onto the plank for cooking. You can cook your hamburgers on a normal pan if you prefer, or perhaps grill them if you like. I personally love to cook them in front of my fireplace and savor that smoky taste from the fire. Next up, spreading avocado paste generously over 1/2 of each roasted bun. The creamy texture of avocado paste adds richness while balancing out all those savory flavors. For a burst of freshness, I use a bed of crisp lettuce followed by onion rings and pickled cucumber, and of course a delicate touch of aioli sauce. The delicious burger is placed on top of these delightful ingredients, coated with melted cheddar cheese and enriched with beautiful soft cooked eggs. To finish it off, I love to drizzle a little bit of smoky barbecue sauce, and for an added spicy kick, a touch of sriracha sauce. And the cherry on top. This amazing hamburger is topped with beautiful crispy bacon. Another round of spreading avocado paste will be done. And voila! Here is the perfect hamburger where creaminess meets crispiness to make your taste buds just sing. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more delicious recipes, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!